Hi my dear students, today we are going to start the rest of the concept in 10th class progression chapter. So till now we were done numericals which are based upon the is given situation is in the form of AP related questions and questions which are related to nth term related questions we were done. So in nth term related question, an is equals to, we know that a plus n minus 1 into d, and we will also learn the concept that is a sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression. So sum of n terms of AP, how to find? It's a formula we were derived already. If you are not seen it is, please go through the part 1 of progression. In that I was discussed related to the concept of types of progressions. So there we were discussed that Sn is equals to, it is n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or we can also use this formula as a Sn is equal to n by 2 of a plus an is the last term. So with the help of these two formulas, now we will solve the rest of problems in it is. So where n is nothing but which term are number of terms, where a is called as a first term, over d is called as a common difference, and an is called as a nth term. Sn is called as a sum of n terms. Okay, so this is about the concept. Now we will start the questions one by one. Okay, my dear student, first do this question. So in this, if you see, find the sum of indicated numbers of terms each of the following AP, means 16, 11, 6, 23 terms sum we have to calculate. So first question, if you see, AP is given that 16, 11, 6 and so on. So n is equals to how much? 23 terms. Then first term is equals to, we have to find sum of 23 terms. So first term 16, common difference is 11 minus 16, which is equals to minus 5. So 23rd term is nothing but n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. After writing formula, 23 by 2 of 2 into 16 plus 23 minus 1 into common difference is 5. Okay, so here 23 by 2, 16s are 32, and 23 minus 1, 22, minus into plus minus, it becomes 110, 110. So which is 23 by 2 of, so 110 onward 32 we have to subtract. Anyway, this is bigger sign, so answer should come negative. So it becomes 8. 10 minus 3 is 7. 78 we are getting. Minus 78. So 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 nines are. So here we have to multiply 23 with the 39. So 3 nines are 27, 2, 9 twos are, it is 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6, which is equals to 798. So answer is minus 8, 9 and as well as 7. Okay, so this is what the sum of 23 terms of the given AP. Okay, next question. Minus 0.5, 0.1, 1.0, 1.5, 10 terms are there. Okay, my dear students, let us see. Second term, second question, it is minus, AP is given as like this, minus 0.5, comma, minus 1.0, comma, minus 1.5 and so on. How many terms? 10 terms. So A is equals to minus 0.5, D is equals to minus 1.0, minus of minus 0.5. 1.0 means 1 we can write, minus into minus plus 0.5. So minus 1.0 not 0.5 is subtracted. Okay, so that it is 0, 10 we take in bar of 10 minus is 5. So it is that. So answer is minus 0.5 because bigger number having a negative sign. Okay, so after knowing this is sum of 10 terms we have to know. As we know formula 10 by 2 of 2 into A plus 10 minus 1 into D. D how much here? D is okay, simply 0.5. So it is 5. So minus 5 it is 2 into minus 0.5, simply minus 1, minus into plus minus, 9 into 0.5, 4.5. So we are getting that minus 5 of 5.5, which is equal to minus of minus, sorry, outside minus not there here, minus into plus minus, it is 27.5. So sum of 10 terms of this AP is nothing but this is. Next, one more question we have, that is minus 1, 1 by 4, 3 by 2. How many terms are there? 10 terms are there. Okay, so let us solve this is also slowly. Okay, so third question, my dear students, AP is given as like this, minus 1 comma 1 by 4 comma 3 by 2 comma and so on, 10 terms. So here first term is minus 1, common difference is 1 by 4, minus of minus 1, 1 by 4 plus 1. So LCM is nothing but 4. 4 in 4 1 times 1 plus 1 is 4 times 4 into 1 is 4. Simply 5 by 4 is common difference. After knowing common difference, sum of 10 terms we have to calculate. 10 by 2 of 2A, 2 into minus 1 plus 10 minus 1 of 5 by 4. So it is becomes a 5. Okay, then minus 1 into 2 is a minus 2 plus 9 into 5 by 4. So what we can do here, LCM is 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 45. So if you subtract 8 from the 45, you will get 5 into, we are getting 37 by 4, which is 185 by 4, simply 46.25. Okay, so sum of 10 terms of the AP is nothing but calculated with the help of this formula as like this. Okay, next some of the example questions are there. After finishing of these example questions, we can go and find the questions which are relevant to this concept in the exercise. So let us solve the 11th example question. What is that? Sum of first 14 terms of the AP is 1050. First term is 10. Find the 20th term. So if you see given data, write it. So number of terms is 14, whose sum is nothing but 1050. First term is given that 10, then find 20th term. If you want to know 20th term, as we know first term, okay, but common difference is not there, so we cannot able to find 20th term. Formula for the Sn is n by 2 of, okay, 2a plus n minus 1 into, it is a d is equals to 1050. But n is given 14 by 2. First term is 10, 2 into 10 plus here 14 minus 1, okay, into common difference is nothing but unknown, which is equals to 1050. So what we can do, it is 7 times, it is into there, make it to division, 20 plus 13d, which is 1050 upon 7. 7 ones are 7. It is 3 left, 3 5s are, it is 150. Then transfer 20 that side. 13d is equals to 150 minus 20. Then d is equals to 130 by 13. So we got 10. So if you know the value of a and d, any term we can find. So question is a20 is how much? A20 is equals to a plus 19 d. A is 10, 19 into d is 10. So 10 plus 190, which is equals to 200. So 20th term of the AP is nothing but 200. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understood it is right. Next, how many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 and so on must be taken so that their sum is 78. So how many? So n is equals to how much they are asking. So first term we know. So what is the first term here? A is equals to 24. D is equals to 24, 1 minus 24, which is equal to minus 3. So how many terms? I am taking n terms whose sum is 78. So n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference, okay, is equals to 78. So n we don't know, but we know that first term, that is 24. N minus 1 common difference is minus 3 is equal to 78. So here division 2 is there, we'll go that side, it will be in the into. Okay, then what I can write is 48 minus into plus minus 3 of n minus 1. So 78 into 2 will be here answer. Then what should I say is here n of 48 minus 3 into n minus 3n minus into minus plus 3, which is equal to 16. It is 156 multiplication. Okay, then do one thing, that is n of 3 plus 48 51 minus 3n, which is equal to 156. Multiply inside, n is 51n minus 3n square, which is equal to 156. So it is one quadratic equation, right? So to solve this quadratic equation, we will take the LHS value to RHS value. 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. I think so we can take 3 common. Okay, 3 common if you will take n square. Here we go with 17 3s are 51. So here we go with 3 5s are, okay, 15, 3 2s are. So simply 52 we are getting. So into 3 will go to the denominator of 0. Then n square minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the factors of n here. For that what we will do, multiply first and last terms, so that we can say n square into 52 is a 52. Write the 52 roots. 152s are 52. Okay. Next 2 26s are next 13 4s are, I think so. Sorry, 4 13s are. So these are possible. Rest is not possible. But if you see, if you will add these two by keeping minus into minus plus, we may get the middle term. So here this 52 can be written as a 4n into minus 13n. So n square minus 4n minus 13n plus 52 is equal to 0. So to solve this is little bit, I'll change the pen color here. Okay, what happened, this is excess rough work, that is. In the first two terms take a one common, second two terms take another parent, take a common, that is. First two terms, if I will take n common, n square n into n, 1 is out, so next is 4 is left. So first term minus will be whenever, then you take minus only common, minus 13, then n minus 4 is equal to 0. So n minus 4 common, then take n minus 4 common, so that n minus 13 will be left. So we are finding the term, which term is becomes 78, then n minus 4 is becomes 0, then n is equals to 4. So either maybe fourth term, means 4 terms sum is becomes 78, or n minus 13 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 13. So 13th term also maybe becomes 78. So the sum of either 4 terms or 13 terms may get sum is 78. Okay, my dear student, this is what the answer for this particular question. Okay, so next. See, there is one more question is here in front of you. Example 13. Find the sum of first 1000 natural numbers. According to Gauss, there is a formula we were derived. That is first 1000 terms we want to know. So solution for the first one, that is sum of 1000 terms. So I can say sum of 1000 terms is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus natural numbers, 4 plus and so on. Last term how much? 1000. So what is the formula for the in terms of last term? Sn is equals to n by 2 of a plus an. That is n is 1000 terms by 2, first term 1, last term 1000. So it is 500 times. So 500 of 1001. So what we can say answer is 500, 500. So sum of 1000 terms is nothing but this is. Similarly, find sum of first n natural numbers. So sum of natural numbers, n natural numbers is sum of n terms is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Last number what here? N. So then formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 of a plus an. That is n is nothing but n only here. First term 1, last term n. Write in order n by 2 of n plus 1. So simply use this formula for the finding first n natural numbers sum. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 of n plus 1. Okay, next question. So here we go with this is 14th question. What is that? Sum of 14th, find the sum of first 24 terms of list of numbers whose nth term is given. So whenever there is an nth term is given, we can find the terms of that series. That is, if an is equals to 3 plus 2n, then if n is equals to 1, then a1 will become 3 plus 2 into 1 is equals to 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. If n is equals to 2, then a2 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 2, that is 3 plus 4, simply called as a 7. So and so on, we can find last term directly. That is a24 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 24 is equal to 3 plus 48 is equal to 51. You know first term, you know last term. We can calculate sum of terms now. 24 terms. S24 is equals to n by 2 of, as you know first and last terms, then a plus an formula we can use. Simply you can solve. 24 is equals to 24 by 2. First term is 5. Last term is 51. It is 12. So 12 into 56. So 12 56 are, see 12 1, it is 6 1s are 6 7. 5 10 1, 5 1s are 1. It's nothing but 6. So 2 7 6. So answer is how much more here? 672. I hope it is clear to you, right? So if you have any doubts, you can pause the video and you can recall the answer and you can get its solution. Next. A manufacturer of TV set produces 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in seventh year. So in third year he is getting 600. A3 is equal to, it is 600. A7 is equals to, he is getting 700. Assuming that product is increasing uniformly by fixed number every year, Find the production in the first year, means first term. 10th year, 10th term. Total at the 7th year, means sum of 7 terms. So for that we will go with some our solution, that is a plus 2d is equal to 600. Let us take this equation 1. A plus 6d is equal to 700. This is equation 2. So what we will do is a 2 minus 1 we will do it. So that a plus 6d is equal to 700 and a plus 2d is equals to 600. After subtraction, a is become 0, 4d is equal to 100, d is equals to 25. So common difference fixed, it is increasing by 25. Then afterwards what we can do, substitute this d any one of the equation from equation 1. What we can say is a plus 2 into 25 is equal to 600. Then a plus 50 is equals to, it is 600. Then a is equal to 600 minus 50, which is equals to what we can say, ma? Simply it is nothing but 550. So in the first year he produced 550 TVs. So first one answer we got it. Production in the first year. Production in the first year is equal to 550 TVs. Then production in the 10th year, means 10th term we have to calculate. A10 is equals to a plus 90. A is 550 plus D is 25. 550 plus 25 nines are 225. Add first 200, it will become 700. 50 plus 25, 75. 775 TVs will be at the end of 10 years. Sorry, in the 10th year they produce 775. Then production in total production is 7 years. So sum of 7 terms we want. So what we will do is simply S7 is equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 7 upon 2 into 2 into 550 plus 7 minus 1 into 25. So 7 by 2 of, it is 1100 plus 6 into 25, 150. 7 by 2, okay, of, it is 1250. Simply 625. So 625 into 7, 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 is 17. Okay, 7 6s are 42, it is 43. So we are producing a number of TVs is 4375. Okay, is it clear? So in the next class we will discuss regarding to the remaining questions which are based upon the sum of terms related. Okay, my dear students, have a great day. If you like, okay, then subscribe this channel and share to your friends who cannot able to afford towards the tuition fee. This channel will help you a lot. And if you are class 9th student, complete the syllabus as early as possible so that you can get ready for the next year. Okay, thank you my dear students, have a great day.